Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix input not support on screen and how to remove the floating input not supported in Windows 11, 10. Type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Boot tab, check Base Video, click Apply, click OK. Right-click Desktop, click Display Settings. Change to lower resolution. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.